Yo, man, it's Tori. I'm back with another video, man. Look, got some work today, man. We got some work. Look, we got this house we got to do here, man. I'm gonna hit this for him. And then we got to go do up here. See this little path right here? See the little path? Not bad. Pretty clean house, man. Clean house. Nice looking house. And then we're going to be hitting this gate back here. We're going to get all of this off this gate. Then we have this whole thing to do right here. Check this out. See all that? We're gonna get this thing back to looking brand new, you know? But, you know, enough with that, man. We finna get to work, man. And how y'all been, man? It's been a minute, man. I told y'all, man. You know, work been slow for me, but, you know, I just got my website up. Got pretty much things going on, man. So, it's looking good for me. So, stick around, man. I'm finna go ahead and finish this one. And then let me get back at you. Yo. Yo, man, look, when you're running that 8-gallon, boy, I'm telling you, you're gonna have to turn off when they got low water pressure. But check out what we got so far. It's the gate. So far, we worked ourselves in here. Look at this, man. I'm telling you, we're gonna get it. You know, I ain't gonna spoil it. Let's get to you, man. Let's get going. When this thing fill up bad, we're gonna be back at it again. Yo. Yo, man, we just wrapped this one up, man. What a beautiful day, man. I'm telling you, man, it feels good, man. It feels really good, man. Customer was really happy, man. Gave me a really good tip. Really good guy, man. Really good guy. But let's see what we got in here. Put that furniture back. Yeah, so got these cleaned up a little bit. Yeah, man. So, whew, so glad I got this job today, baby. So, let's finish checking this out. Got that pad clean. We even cleaned around there. Did a little extra for him, you know. Got this gate done. You remember how this gate used to look? And then we have all of this done. So pretty much wrapped it up, man. So you know, I'm gonna get back at you when I get in the garage, man. We'll go over some things, man. Man, it's beautiful, man. Just gotta be happy, man. Enjoy the moment, you know. So yeah, see you when I get to the crib. Yo, man, just made it back to the crib, man. Put that thing to work today, baby. So yeah, y'all see what we did, man. It was a pretty good job, man. I got that one from Google. Got that one from Google. They see me on Google, called before, man, gave me a shot, man. Pretty good guy, man. Love the job I did, man, which is awesome, man. So yeah, man, so we gonna you know, phone starting to ring a little bit, so work starting to pick up. Like I said, everybody, man, I'm more at a lot of commercial jobs, man. I want apartment buildings, I want commercial buildings, man. That's really where I'm geared towards. I want like jobs where I'm doing like 2 weeks, you know what I'm saying, worth of work. I mean, yeah, 2 weeks working, man, you know what I mean? But whatever I can get, man. And I'm just thankful, man. You know, we a year in it, man, and we still going at it, baby. Beautiful day. Look at outside, man. Look at this outside, man. Look at this, man. Look at that. We was able to get some work done, man. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all, man, keep your head up, man. Keep your head up. My head been up, man. For a whole year, man, I've been doing this, man. Y'all see my start, man. 5x8 trailer, man. It's been a journey, man, and it's a fun journey, man. So you know what I'm saying? We here, man. We just doing it, baby. I'm happy as ever, boy. God dog it. Look at this, boy. Hey, I grew just in time, boy. I'm trying to tell you, boy. Look at all this, man. On picture, on the camera, ain't no justice on the camera, but I'm telling you, you see it in real life, boy. You gonna say, yeah, boy, that's a setup right there, man. But I gotta go, man, get my daughter, man. Oh yeah, The little man born, man. I got a little junior, man. Of course I named him after me, man. I gotta have a little junior, man. So my little man born, man, I'm gonna prepare him for this pressure washing or whatever he wanna do with his life. But yeah, I'm gonna get back at y'all, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all, hey, it's getting excited, man. I'm telling y'all, man, I got some things coming up. I can't talk about it just yet. Can't talk about it just yet, but it's real big. I'm telling you, man, it's gonna change things, man. It's gonna change the industry, man, when I tell y'all about it, man. So as soon as I get all of this stuff wrapped up, man, I got some things I'm doing. As soon as I get it wrapped up, I'm gonna let y'all know what it is, man. And I think y'all will like it, bro. I'm telling you, man. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, all right? Like, comment, subscribe, man. Here go another one, man. We're gonna be back for more. I don't know. I'm gone. Yo!